Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A57 is stuck on a boot screen. First of all, in such case, we have to connect our device to the computer using a USB-C cable. And then we're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume down keys in order to force restart our device. So hold down power button and volume down keys until your device screen goes off, then change the volume down key to volume up while holding down the power button until the Samsung logo appears on your screen. If you do everything right, so once again, if you hold down power button and volume down key until your device screen goes off, then once it goes off, switch volume down to volume up and keep holding down the power button until you see the Samsung logo. Then once you see the Samsung logo, you release the power button and keep holding down the volume up key. Eventually you will get to Android recovery mode, where you'll be able to navigate using up and down arrow keys and using power button to select. Now the solution that we're looking for right here is the factory reset operation, because unfortunately that's the only way to resolve this issue. But if you don't want to perform it, you can select Reboot System Now and press power button. To navigate here, use volume up and down keys, and to select, use power once again. Now, to perform the wipe data factory reset, navigate down here, press power button to confirm. On the following page, navigate to factory data reset and press power button once again. Once you do that, you will start seeing some logs at the bottom of your screen, and once they appear, you'll be redirected back to this recovery menu, where you simply have to press the power button to select Reboot System Now and wait until the factory reset is performed. After that, the issue will be gone. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.